Today we're going to be making a flower vase inspired by the Impressionist painter Berthe Morisot. We are going to start with a pencil, but as you can see, it's kind of hard to see on my paper, but you'll see it just fine. So for now, I'm going to start with a crayon. Near the bottom of my paper, I'm going to start with a short line about 2 fingers away from the bottom. I'm going to find the middle of my paper and put my finger. This is for our vase. So on each side, I'm going to curve my vase, but I'm not going to add the top because the top is open. This side is our practice, so I'm going to write my name in the middle of the vase. Then I'm going to add the lines for my table. So in the middle of the vase, on each side, I'm going to draw a line. Now we're ready at the top part to add our flowers. We're going to do some simple flower shapes like a circle. So I'm going to add above the vase about 4 or 5 circles. Make sure they don't touch or go on top of each other. You can have some a little bigger and some a little smaller. Fill it towards the top. What else is in a flower vase? Leaves. I'm going to add some leaves. Remember when we drew our eyeballs and we did those 2 dots, a rainbow and a smile? That is a wonderful shape for a leaf. So I'm going to fill some empty spaces with those leaves. You'll notice I didn't add any stems. Don't worry, we'll get to paint those in later. Now that I finished my practice, I'm going to turn it over. Make sure you have that messy mat, and we're going to use our paint marker. Remember, we do not shake, we do not squeeze, and we do not slam. So again, 2 spaces from the bottom, and I'm going to repeat all those steps again, just with my paint marker. Don't forget those tables. Add those flowers. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as the other side because remember, our paint marker is a little bit thicker than our pencil. Once you finish with that, the only thing we're adding that is different is right in the middle of each circle, we are adding a little dot. But remember, don't slam. Draw your dot. There we have our flower vase.